Or if you see your child, then they say, oh, child is hyperactive, because they need attention from you. They will act out. They will show that they are stressed out because they need your attention. So, everybody, now I mean every second or third child has ADHD, attention deficit disorder, because they need your attention. There is deficit. From the first day, they needed attention. So they will act out. So we need to work on simple things. Little more time, from the first day. Maybe you will see the difference. I am giving this message to the new mothers. Please listen to this. Maybe whatever change you can bring in your schedule, do that. When you're pregnant, talk to your baby. Talk nice things. Imagine good things. Imagine, a clean, nice environment. You will have a peaceful baby. And then when baby comes to this world, you spend more time with the baby, bond with the baby, so that when you will grow older, that baby will take care of you. If you will take care of this baby today, bond well, strong bond, that baby will take care of you when you will be like 80 years old or 90 years old or older age.